You slept for 7 hours, maybe even 8 hours, but you wake up tired. You drag yourself through the day. So what's going on? Let's break down the real reasons you can feel exhausted even after a full night of sleep. First of all, more hours doesn't always mean better sleep. Sleep has stages: light sleep, deep sleep, REM sleep. If your sleep is fragmented, your body may not reach enough deep restoration stages, even if the clock says 8 hours. One common but overlooked cause is blood sugar fluctuation. If your blood sugar spikes late at night, then drops, your body releases stress hormones. That can disturb sleep quality and leave you tired the next morning. High stress levels increase cortisol. Elevated cortisol at night can delay deep sleep, cause early waking, leave you feeling unrefreshed. Sleeping at 1 a.m. and waking at 9 a.m. is not the same as sleeping at 10 p.m. and waking at 6 a.m. Our circadian rhythm matters. Sleep timing affects hormone balance. Other factors, apart from sleep timing, are late night caffeine intake, energy drinks, heavy meals close to bedtime, and excess screen time before bed. If persistent fatigue continues despite good sleep habits, it may be worth checking your blood sugar levels, thyroid function, iron levels, and sleep apnea risk. Sometimes tiredness is a signal. Feeling tired isn't always about how long you sleep. It's about how well your body restores itself. If you want clear, evidence-based explanations about health and medicines, please subscribe. Clear facts, no fear, no myths.